The craziest part? This entire dashboard was generated using Claude AI. We only have a raw Excel dataset. No formatting, no pivot tables, no dashboard. We're going to click just one button. First, it formats the raw dataset automatically. After that, it jumps to a new pivot sheet and starts building pivot tables one by one in real time. And now, it creates the final dashboard sheet. Look at this. All KPI calculations are being created automatically. Charts are getting inserted dynamically. Slicers, everything is being created one by one automatically. And finally, dashboard created successfully. Done. Now let's test it. Click the slicers. Everything updates dynamically in real time. Let me show you exactly how we built this. As we already mentioned, this is just raw data. No formatting, no extra required columns inserted, no dashboard, and no pivot sheets created yet. First, open Claude AI in Google Chrome. In the video description, we've provided the complete master prompt we used to generate this dashboard. Simply copy the prompt, paste it into Claude AI, and hit Enter. Now watch this. Within seconds, Claude generates a complete VBA automation code for the entire dashboard. Now copy the complete VBA code generated by Claude AI. Next, go back to Excel. Press Alt plus F11 to open the VBA editor. Now go to Insert, Module A, new blank module window opens. Paste the entire VBA code into the module. Once pasted, close the VBA editor using Alt plus F4. Now press Alt plus F8. You'll see the macro, Build Dashboard. You can run it directly from here. But let's make it even better. We already created a rectangle shape earlier from Insert Arrow Shapes and named it Build Dashboard. Now simply right-click that existing shape, then assign macro, then select Build Dashboard, then click OK. And now, here comes the magic. Click the button. Watch what happens. The VBA starts running live. The data gets formatted automatically. Tables are created. Pivot tables start generating one by one. Charts appear dynamically. KPI cards get designed instantly. Slicers are inserted automatically. The entire dashboard aligns itself in real time. And within seconds, a fully interactive professional Excel dashboard is ready. Everything is dynamic. This dashboard was created almost entirely using AI-generated VBA code. What normally takes hours of manual Excel work now takes just minutes. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials.